In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and set up a new employee in Xero. Whether you're a business owner, an HR professional, or just someone trying to get the hang of this powerful accounting software, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, we will start by navigating to the payroll section of Xero. Once you are logged into your Xero account, direct your attention to the top bar of your dashboard. Here, you'll notice several options available, tailored to help you manage your business finances. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Payroll. Go ahead and click on it. This will trigger a drop-down menu showing you various payroll functionalities. From this list, you'll want to focus on the Employees section. Clicking this will take you to a new page dedicated to managing all employee-related tasks. At this point, you're looking at a comprehensive list of current employees. This list centralizes all the important information about individuals who are part of your workforce. It serves as a great overview if you need to manage, edit, or update employee details. Now, since we want to add a new employee into the system, our next step will be to locate and click on the Add Contact button. This is typically found somewhere prominently on the page to make new entries seamless and accessible. Clicking on Add Contact essentially opens a new window or form where you can input the new employee's details. Now that you're in the new contact form, it's time to fill in the necessary details. Ensure that you have all the pertinent information handy, such as the employee's full name, email address, and any other specific data your company requires at this stage. This might include the employee's job title, department, and start date, though Xero will guide you through the fields that need completion. Pay attention to what information is mandatory, often indicated by asterisks, as leaving any required fields empty could prevent you from successfully adding the employee. Carefully input all the gathered information, checking for potential errors in spelling or data entry, as mistake proofing can save you time later. Once you've diligently filled out all the necessary personnel details, you're now ready to finalize the addition of this new contact into Xero. Review each piece of information to ensure accuracy and completeness. After confirming everything is correct, finalize the process by clicking Save or any similar option visible on the screen that ensures the data is stored. And that's it. You've now successfully added a new employee to Xero. This process, though simple, is crucial for maintaining payroll accuracy and ensuring your newest team member is all set to get paid without a hitch. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to return for more tips on navigating and mastering Xero to enhance your business operations.